Um, thank you, John. So at this point, what you actually do is we leave it to the if you have anything that you think we need to improve upon or any question, please there's an opportunity we want to give to you for you to ask us those things and also give us also comments on the workshop that we did for the past 10 days, which we really appreciate it for it. Alongside the line, there's see the JWJ7, the working group is also open. So if you like to join also, we'll be happy to have your number. Then you add you to the working group for further information. So at this time, I just want to leave it to the participants for them to give me their comments.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening, Mary.
Okay, so I would first of all commend you for your efforts and say a very big thank you for giving us the opportunity to join your class. But for me, it has been an eye-opener and very beneficial for me because as a lecturer in geoinformation sciences, when we were starting, this kind of programming aspect was not part. When you had it at ease, where you could have just like the ArcGIS, so interactive, and you were feeling comfortable over there. But the world is evolving and new things are coming in with this machine learning thing. So if you don't also try to go with the changes, you might be left behind. And so I was particularly happy when you gave me the opportunity to see this Digital Earth Africa and seeing that database with those enormous, huge data that you can work on. I was really excited, and I'm so much interested in really enhancing my skills with the Python. Some of us, we got the opportunity to learn the R and the others, but then when we see some of the programs and the codes and you run, it's not running, it discourages you from going forward. But at least this one, I'm trying to go with you and then know what I have to expect. My only bigger challenge was with the aspect where sometimes you go a bit faster, some of us, we are not that young, we are growing, you see. And so if you don't go by our pace and then you get us lost, then we be along the way. I think when we started with the VS and then the other environment, I really wanted to follow up, but along the line I got missing, especially when my internet was also misbehaving. So please, next time, go by our pace, small, so that we can follow up, and then at least the benefit will be enormous, and then for all the sessions you be able to. So thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you very much, noted. Yeah.
Thank you, Mary, for giving us the feedback. We really also appreciate it. If going forward, if you encounter any challenge, please reach out to us either by WhatsApp or email, and we are happy to support you to be able to continue to improve the Python language that you are learning.
Well noted.
Okay, right, Sam. Hello, Bright. Okay, if we can hear Kwabena. Hello, Kwabena.
Yeah, Bright is here.
Okay, Bright. Yes, we want to hear from you.
I would like to say something very simple. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. In fact, my boss Mr. Siama will bear with me. One day I went to him, I said, Senior, I want to learn programming. And he was like, it's no issue. Let me give you the materials, and then probably when you learn it the hard way, that would be the best thing for you. So honestly speaking, I started with Python. I was following. The unfortunate thing I have is that I don't normally have time to sit down. And if you look at programming, you need to have time and sit down. And so sometimes I start learning, I pause, go and continue, I pause. But I think this has been a wonderful thing for me. And I've seen that, no, I have to find time and sit down. And I always tell myself that even if I don't continue education and I have programming language, it applies to me. And so I thank the organizers for this opportunity. I thank the resource persons also. And we say, God bless you all. All that I'm trying to find out is that, is there any site or anywhere you can go that when you write the code and it doesn't work, you can just quickly copy and paste and see whether you can get a clue as to how it didn't work. And then from there, I think we can be learning small. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Bright. So in relation to the last aspect, I just want to, if you encounter any challenge, just share with us on WhatsApp, or just share with us on WhatsApp, or maybe by email also. We'll be happy to help you debug whatever error you'll be facing to that. So please feel free, if you encounter a challenge, let us know.
Yeah, Eddie,
Yeah,
I
go on.
also suggest that if we can create one group in, let's say, Ghana Geospatial, particularly maybe for our group, where anybody who is interested in doing this programming stuff can join. And then when you need, if you have like any of these things, you can just drop it there. Anybody with experience can help you rewrite your code or something like that and send it back to you for you to test up. I think that will also be beneficial to the members as well.
Yes, John. So there is the group for the group for this working group. Let me get the link and let me share it with you.
Share it with them, and you can post on the platform, general platform, and that those people who want to be in that group should join. Then you encourage them to also apply for membership. Then we induct everybody accordingly as well.
Okay, Michael.
Thank you.
So I'm putting the link in the group in the so Ghana Geospatial Society. Okay, so I've put the link there. So those who are interested, please join it. And Bright, anything you have, just put it there, and we'll be happy to make it work. Not only Bright, but everybody who is on the chat, kindly do that. Kwabna.
Kindly add a message to it on the chat in the WhatsApp group so that they will understand why it is there.
Okay, Michael, I'll do that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so I see Kwabna also online. Hello, Kwabna.
Yeah, cat. And Luciana.
It's raining cats and dogs here, so all that being said, I hardly hear. I'm even using earpiece, but still, it's cats and dogs over here. Rain, heavy rain over here. Can you hear me?
Yes, Kwabna.
It's raining cats and dogs here, so I'm squeezing my eardrums to get to follow what is being said, but yeah.
Okay.
I heard
No
you
worries,
say that we're going to create a group or something for those of us who really want to follow the program. So at least we can enhance on what you have learned so far for us to be able to do something with Python and programming in general.
Yeah, okay, Kwabna. So
Hello,
thank you very much for. Yes, we can hear you. We heard everything you said.
Yeah, but yes, I'm just following what is being said, that we're going to create a group for us to be part of this entire program. I think it's the right thing to do, and it's in the right direction. So I think we can have the group running, because the special one is the broader one, which we can't be putting things there for people who do not matter to be looking at them, else it will even scare them in one way or the other. So if you have a group, I think it will be the correct way or the right way to go.
Auntie.
Oh, okay. So thank you very much, Kabra, for your input also.
Okay.
Um,
Hey.
okay. So we really appreciate we appreciate everyone who joined us for this 2 weeks course, which was very interesting. And this is just the only beginning. We will continue to work with the team, and we'll see how best we can bring out a lot of things, especially in relation to geospatial informations, technologies, to everybody within here. So be expecting another training from us, which we will start preparing then, but not now, but very soon we are going to have a series of training, hackathons, and a lot of events just to help our members to be able to abreast with the technologies that is currently on the go. So thank you everyone for joining us, which we really appreciate. And just as we said, if anything, you need anything in relation to geospatial information, kindly reach out to us. Join the working group that I've pasted in the link on the WhatsApp page. Join us and reach out to us for any information. So we thank all of you, and we really appreciate your time to be with us. John, please, any last words? Then you can end the meeting for us, John.
Okay, so I think that's good. I think we will be able to. The team is available to assist you in any way. Maybe some dots in a code that can frustrate you for a whole week. I think we will be there to help you within minutes. So just post your codes that you are having challenge and practice. Sometimes it's very good to have somebody to hold your hands when in difficult times. So the team here, I think we have some experience that we can be able to help you in your journey to become programmers. And for those who express interest in the other areas of work as to how we can use the other technologies like the Postgres and other things, I think Wama is now here. I think we will sit down, look at it, and look at when such trainings can also come away, and then we also improve upon the knowledge that we have. So basically, for me, I think it's a great opportunity to also impact some knowledge, and we thank you all for being part of this. I'll hand it over. I don't know, Francis and then Michael, if they have anything to say, or James, then you can close from there.
Okay, for me, I will just continue my old announcements about the independence seminar, the conference that we are about to have, and the induction of members. So yes, it's adding into the group, but then to belong fully, remember to create your account, register. Then let's get inducted so that all of us will say that we are full members of the professional body. And then encourage your other colleagues to register as well. Because coming year, there will be examination and the process will be quite rigorous than the one that we are opening for everyone to do. So thank you very much. Yes, but when you join, please be active. And then you help your chair and then the co-chair of that working group. As you are learning, he will need you to be a resource person for another CPD. or training session that will come. So I'm happy that we have about 10 people here today. Let's all learn. Let's offer our services, our time to help train others so that we can make it much more interesting. You learn from others. The more you teach, I think the more you also learn. Thank you very much.
Okay, on that note, then I think we're done with today's sections. We'll meet on the other group if you have any issues to assist you. Thank you all for coming. Thank you.